Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start exercise 13.3. Okay, in the first part we have to write expanded form of this number. Okay, earlier you were doing like this, like 2. Firstly we are writing the first digit, then how many digits are there, that many zeros we are putting here. Okay, 5 digits are there, 5 zeros. Then after 7, 4 digits are there, 4 zeros. Okay, in the same way we were writing it in the place value form. Okay, now 2 lakh can be written as 2 multiply lakh, 70,000 can be written as 7 multiply 10,000. In the same way you can write rest of the numbers. Okay, now 1 lakh can be written in the short form 10 raised to power 5. Okay, 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to power 4. Okay, then 1000 can be written as 10 raised to power 3, and rest of the words you have to write in the same way. Okay, we will discuss about second part now. It is given as 3006194. So this can be written, we can written as 10 raised to power, how many digits are there, 6. So this is equal to 3 multiply 10 raised to power 6 plus next digit is there 0. 0 multiply 10 raised to power 5 plus next digit is also 0. So this is 0 multiply 10 raised to power 4, then plus 6 is there next one, multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 1 multiply 10 raised to power 2 plus next is there 9 multiply 10 raised to power 1, then plus 4 multiply 10 raised to power 0. Okay, so in the same way you have to complete rest of the parts. Fine. In the second part we have to write number only when expanded form is given. Okay, like statement is given to you of this type. Okay, 8 multiply 10 raised to power 4 means after 8 we have to put 4 zeros. When you will multiply 10 4 times with 8, you will get here 80,000. Okay, then here you will get 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5, because 10 raised to power 0 means 1. Okay, so this is equal to what you will get here now. After doing the addition you will get here 86,045. Okay, in the same way you have to complete next parts. Like B part is there, statement is given 4 multiply 10 raised to power 5 plus 5 multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 3 multiply 10 square plus 2 multiply 10 raised to power 0. So this is equal to, after 4 we have to put 5 zeros. You will get here 4 lakh plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 2, because 10 raised to power 0 is 1 only. So what answer you will get here? 4 lakh. Okay, then for 5 3 2 0 2. Okay, after doing the addition of these all. Now see, in the next part we have to write the number in the standard form. Okay, in standard form what we have to do, see, if any number is given to you, suppose 137 is given. Okay, what we need only one number, only single digit in the whole number part. We have to represent this number into the decimal form. Okay, whole number part we just need only one digit. Okay, then rest of the digits will be in the decimal part. Fine. How can we convert this into the decimal form? By dividing with into 100. Okay, then if we will divide any number with 100, that means by same number we have to multiply. Okay, so that means with the help of division of 100 we can write it as 1.37 multiply 10 raised to power 2. This is called the standard form. Now see, if we will see the first question which is given to you, this can be directly written as 5 multiply 10 raised to power 7. Okay, because only one digit is there in the whole number part and nothing is there in the decimal part. Okay, now see the next part, 31865 multiply, this can be written 10 raised to power 5. Okay, now what we need here the decimal before the 4 digits here. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to divide this number with 10,000. By the same number we will multiply this. Okay, now with the help of division we can put here the decimal. So this is equal to 3.1865 multiply 10 raised to power 5 is there, 4 you will get here, so 10 raised to power 9 will be the answer. Okay, in the same way this part, firstly we have to write this decimal into the fraction form. How can we write 390878 divided by 10? Okay, now what we need the decimal on this place. Okay, so that means we need here divisibility by 1 lakh. 5 digits are there, that means we need here 5 zeros in the denominator. 1 we already have, that means by 10,000 we will multiply the denominator, okay, and the numerator also with 10 raised to power 4. Okay, by the same number we have to multiply and divide, okay, like we were doing in the equivalent fractions. So this is equal to 3 point. Now with the help of these numbers we can put here the decimal 3.90878 multiply 10 raised to power 4. This is your answer. Fourth part is same as the third one. Okay, firstly we have to write this in terms of 10. This can be written as 384 multiply 10 raised to power 6. Okay, now we need here the decimal, so what we have to do, we have to divide it with 100 and multiply with 100. Okay, so now with the help of this division we can write it as 3.84 multiply 10 raised to power 6 multiply 10 raised to power 2. 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay, so this is equal to 3.84 multiply 10 raised to power 8. This is your answer. Okay, this is called the standard form. Fine. So in this way you can complete the whole part. Thank you so much. Here your exercise is completed.